Malimu goes first, then Vinitha, then everybody gets a turn. So let me try first. This is going to be lines 2 and 3. On my mark, get set, go. Tsade Sofit, Tsade, Fe Sofit, Fe, Pe, Ayin, Samach. Mem Sofit, Tsade Sofit, Nun Sofit, Fe Sofit, Tsade, Chaf Sofit, Tsade Sofit. 10.11. Beat that one, Afunzi.
Wow.
Okay. 10.11 is the goal. Subi, you're up. Oh no, Vinitha, you're up next. Vinitha, don't rush too much. You take your time and do a good job, okay? On your mark, get set, go.
Go.
Tsade Sofit. Tsade. Pe Sofit. Pe.
Nice.
Pe. Ayin. This is Same. Listen,
Well done.
Samik.
Well done.
Samik.
Keep going.
Mem.
Sofit.
Tsade Sofit. Noon Sofit. Pe Sofit. Tsade. Dalet. And Tsade.
Very nice. Good. Any corrections to be had?
Yes. Instead of Chaf Sofit, she pronounces Dalet.
Right.
Dalet Sofit.
Oh,
Vinitha is introducing our newest letter, the Dalet.
We are adding some letters in Hebrew.
Very nice. Very nice work, Vinitha. Okay, let me reset. Subi, you're up. Lines 2 and 3.
Subi is out.
Is he already out? Oh my goodness. Okay, Diedrich, you're up to bat then. on your mark, get set, go.
Go.
Tsade Sofit, Ayin, Fe Sofit, Fe, Ayin, Samek.
Nice.
Mem Sofit, Tsade Sofit, Mem Sofit, Fe Sofit, Ayin, Chaf Sofit, and Tsade Sofit.
Nice. 41.84. Any corrections to be made?
Yes. He has called.
Instead of Tsade, he calls it as Ayin.
Ayin.
Okay.
Somewhat confusing.
how many marks did I get? You didn't tell me. How many marks did I get?
You had 38. 38.
Out
So
of?
she beat Dedrick.
38 out of?
You actually beat Dedrick, but Dedrick had a fewer errors. So
No, the answer. Let me talk. I got 38 out of.
you did wonderful, Vinitha. You did awesome. That's the bottom line. And Diedrich, you also did awesome. Now we're gonna show off our stars from Lamu and Kutus.
Let's hear from Kutus first.
Okay. Well, okay.
When you speed up like that, it's like your mind doesn't click.
Right.
Right. You have to think about it.
Right. Okay. Kutus, on your mark. Get set. Go.
Tsade Sofit, Tsade, Fe Sofit, Fe, Pe, Ayin, Samech, Mem Sofit, Tsade Sofit, Nun Sofit, Fe Sofit, Tsade, Chaf Sofit, Tsade Sofit.
Nice.
Wow.
19.05.
Wow.
Okay, Lamu, you got to beat 19 seconds, brother.
Okay.
Your mark, set, go.
Tsade, Sofit, Fei, Sofit, Fei, Ayin, Samek, Mem Sofit, Tsade, Sofit, Nun Sofit, Fei, Sofit, Tsade, Chaf Sofit, Tsade, Sofit.
Wow. Damn. You almost beat Walimu. You almost beat Walimu. All right, 12.87, but I think there might have been one error somewhere. I don't remember where because that all went so fast.
There was no error. There was no error.
I'll go with that. I'll go with that. Vinitha, we actually have a few more letters to finish before we begin our drill.
Yes, sir. Kuf.
Nice.
Kuf.